Everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. As you would have noticed, today we are going to fry yam. We are going to fry delicious yam Ghana style. It's one of my favorites. So if you are interested, and if like me you are a yam lover, please watch this video. So of course, to fry yam you need a yam, and this time it's Ghana Puna yam, and I think it's the best yam to fry, okay, because there are different yams out there, but I like this one. So we are going to start off by peeling the yam. Okay, the little yellow bit you see there is the head of the yam, and I know this happens to everyone. There is sometimes a little problem that pops up, as you can see there. I hate to see this, but anyway, it's part of yam life. But don't worry, we're gonna get rid of it as we proceed with our recipe. So here I have just cut a bit off, not a problem. Okay, and then I'll proceed with cutting up my yam. The way you want to cut it really depends on you. You can cut it any size, any shape you like. Depends on your mood. But this is usually how I like to cut it up. Okay, so just watch how I am doing. And by the way, here there's a little problem here, so let's cut it off first. Okay, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to save this video and go back to my greengrocer and tell him there was a problem with the yam and see if I can get a little refund. You know, sometimes a little bit, yeah. So right, then after cutting them, I'm just going to put them in my container. So this is the diamond shape. This is how I usually cut it. Some people like to cut it like fries, you know, usually like potato fries, but this is how I like it. Yeah, so let's keep on cutting. So whilst I am doing that, I'm just going to leave you here with some music, okay, and I'll see you back in a few minutes. All right, so on to the last bits of cutting. I must admit it was a pretty big yam. All right, so I'm done with the cutting, so everything is in my large container, and now we are going to wash it. Guys, make sure you do not fry your yam without washing it first. Okay, so I'm washing it with cold water, and don't be shy, really get into it. Wash it properly. Wash it very well. Right, so after the first wash, I just pour out the water so you can see how dirty it is, and this is not even clean yet. So after this, I'm going to wash it again. All right, so I'm gonna wash it until the water runs clear. All right, very important. So just like this. This video is really beginners friendly. Okay, done with the washing. So I've transferred it into another container. Then I'm gonna add some salt to it, and then this part here is optional. Usually if I don't want to add any turmeric, I wouldn't add it. I don't usually add turmeric, but for the purpose of this video I am going to add it so that you can see how the fried yam looks like with turmeric. And I've got a picture here. So this is ground turmeric. If you are in the UK, I bought it from the cooperative. My UK subscribers know what the cooperative is, but basically you can get it from anywhere. And then I'm going to add more water and stir it just gently, then we're gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we are going to heat up oil. Make sure you heat up enough oil because we are going to deep fry it. And then I always like to pat dry it before I fry it. I know not everyone does it, but I like it. So pat dry it and then deep fry the yam when the oil is hot, and make sure you do not add too much yam into the oil. I always find frying yam very satisfying. I don't know about you, but I think it's so beautiful, or maybe it's just me, but frying yam really calms me down. So your yam is ready when it gets this nice golden color. Okay, so at this point the yam is ready, and this is my first batch of yam. And now I'm going to let the excess oil drain on kitchen paper or kitchen towel, depending on wherever you are. And now on to frying the second batch of yam. Okay, and it's ready, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, I could literally just eat yam by itself, just like this, with no pepper or shito or nothing, just because I'm a big yam lover. And this is it. Our yam is ready, and as usual I am going to show you how it looks like on the inside. Amazing. This is how I like my yam. And by the way, I'll also post a video on how to have your yam extra crispy. This is just normal fried yam. Guys, don't get me started with G. I'd rather speak French. So this is the end of my video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye. Take care.